Hey guys, it's Command Studios. I thought I would have this problem because I added the windowsill after we cut these a long time ago. So what I'm going to do is figure here where I had to cut it, and that's basically 4 inches. Now I'm going to draw a line across here, and I'm going to put a piece of wood behind here, probably 2 or 1. And cut it across so it will fit. I'm sorry I can't show it to you. It's starting to sprinkle right now. I'm trying to get stuff done. I got these 2 windows, this one and this one done, but this on this side. But I need to get this one cut like that. See, I started with a pencil already. Damn that sunlight. To mark it, but pencil broke. So I'll let you know. I'll give you another update on my preparedness for hurricane. And don't forget, guys, when you have rain barrels, you can boil the water for drinking. Or you can use it to flush your commodes and stuff. Alright, let me get to work on this. I'll talk to you guys on the next part. You guys, I got it done, cut it. All I did was take this piece of wood down here, had this piece underneath where it was holding against the window. I'm sorry. Had the piece on the ground, had this piece sitting on top inside. It worked. Was able to cut my line across. Got it done. Little cracks don't hurt because all it's going to do is windows protect against big flying debris. So this side's done. Sorry I'm winded. I'm already getting sunburned from being out here because of the feeling cool, and you don't realize how hot it is in the sun. So all I gotta do is this side now. And these pieces of wood. Oh, you see the wasp is going in the hole. Too bad. Yeah, too bad for them. But these are all virgin pieces of wood. I don't know where my pieces went for over here. Because I thought everything was together. Alright. I'm going to let you go on this video. I'm going to get back to work after I get some water. And I got to start putting stuff in the yards and stuff away after this. But after I get the next set of boards up, I'll let you see it because I got to hammer drill them and tap con them in. Alright. Take care.